What happens when you want to buy luxury skincare or any type of skincare and you think it's fake? Tune into this video and watch it. I'm going to show you some signs on how to spot fake, counterfeit, luxury skincare products. My name is Morgan and I'm obsessed with all things beauty and skincare related. And one of the main things that people have been asking me, and honestly, I didn't even think about it till now, but it's a really good point and a really good question, is how to spot fake luxury skincare products. So of course I'm gonna be using La Mer as a reference today, and obviously it's my favorite luxury skincare brand. A lot of the times I do have many people asking me where else they can purchase La Mer at a cheaper price. And a lot of people that I talk to always are referring to Amazon. And the thing that concerns me about products like this and sites like this is you may pay for a fake product, but that's not the main problem. The main problem is it can cause serious health risks. Because you all remember, this isn't just a makeup thing, even though counterfeit makeup is also very dangerous, but this is skincare. This is something that we are trying to put into our skin for healthier skin results. And it's just dangerous, and it's just concerning to me. So I'm going to talk about the cons of fake counterfeit products. First of all, one of the main issues with counterfeit products is they could be real, maybe if you're lucky, but they may be expired. They may have been opened and sitting on someone's shelves and just smoothed over with a butter knife to make it look new. A lot of the times they aren't delivered with their real authentic packaging, so you can look at expiration dates, and a lot of the times they try to remove the expiration dates from you. So yeah, it might be real, but it's not potent, and everything in the ingredients list is expired, and you're not getting any benefits from the product. If anything, there may be molds in it, and that's dangerous. Two, a lot of these fake products, all of these fake products actually, are not regulated. They're not regulated, and they do not abide by safety and sanitation guidelines. So again, these products, maybe they're not open, but now they may just be totally fake. They haven't been tested at all because there is no regulations or anything pressing the company who's selling you this product to make sure the ingredients are up to par. Also, a lot of these products have illegal ingredients, and that means that the products are dangerous to your skin and they're not legal to use in your country, and that is really scary. With fake products, all they're trying to do is make you think that the product is real. So they're gonna use whatever they can. Doesn't even have to be a chemical, it could be whatever, to give you the look and maybe feel of the product. And honestly, that's very dangerous. I've heard of like rat feces in some, which is disgusting, but I'm gonna say it. If you have allergic reactions to things, if you're sensitive to certain ingredients, you don't know what's in this product, and you can really hurt yourself. And I'm gonna tell you right now, none of these products are going to be healthy for your skin. You are not going to get results, and therefore you're gonna think that these luxury skincare brands are frauds because you think you use the right product. And I mean, you might get a rash, you might get a breakout, you might get a serious allergic reaction. We forget that we do use these products around our eyes. Like, I just don't wanna see something bad happen to you. We don't know how these products are being stored, let alone being made. It's a site called Akira, AKIRA.com. And I always see like real authentic products for really cheap prices. And I scoped it out the one day, and they're all used products. And you might be getting half the jar, you might be getting, just a scoop out of the jar, but at the end of the day, are these products expired? Who put their hands in the product previously? What kind of bacteria is already in there? Because as soon as you open a lid to a product, the potency of it starts decreasing, and there's only between 6 months and a year. Some last longer, depending on the preservatives, whether or not it's natural or not, and they start decreasing. So by the time you actually get your hands on this pre-used product, God only knows. And it's just not, in my opinion, it's not safe, and I really don't recommend that approach. What do these fake products look like? That is the question. What do they look like? What are the signs of a fake product? Well, first of all, I'm going to post a picture right now of a fake La Mer product. Now, if you look at this product, you'll see that the coloring is off. Now, what you should be looking for when you're looking for an authentic product is you want to make sure that when they're being sold to you that they come with the authentic manual of how to use. A lot of the luxury skincare companies give you little pamphlets, barcodes. Look for barcodes. A lot of the time, they're either scraping them off or just not putting them. And of course, you don't want to be getting a skincare product that's only the jar with no packaging whatsoever. So that way, the packaging even dissect that a little more. You don't want to just be buying a random jar. No, that's not clean. That's not safe. I don't even trust that. So look for tags, title misspelling. A lot of these people sell, like, I feel like people who buy fake products or accidentally buy fake products, there's a lot of wishful thinking going on. And I feel like a lot of these things are missed because everyone's just hoping that they're gonna get the good and the look and the feel of it at least. And a lot of times, if you really look at the fine print, you're gonna see a lot of misspelling, grammar errors. You're gonna notice a difference of color. So the La Mer product that I'm showing you right now, the coloring is like totally off. Like the color of the peach on the original La Mer logo, it's a peach and green, like a light seaweed green. This is very dark. You could see that the fonts are not even, and they're kind of running in together, and even the spacing in the font does not look appropriate. It just doesn't, in my opinion, look like real La Mer at all. It's always important to take the packaging from like maybe Sephora or LaMer.com or your favorite luxury skincare brand and compare them to the video or the picture. These brands, these fake brands, some of them could be really good, but you're always gonna catch something just a little off about them. You know, people have asked me, should they buy from Amazon? And no, when it comes to luxury skincare brands or any skincare brand that's higher up. Now, I do know that Amazon sells like certified skincare, like Oz Naturals, like there's legitimate skincare companies, but I'm telling you right now, La Mer, La Prairie, Sisley, none of those brands are like within Amazon reach. You want to buy directly from their sites, directly through a reputable retailer. I'm talking Nordstrom, Neiman Marcus, Saks, Sephora, right directly through their authentic website. That's the only way you're gonna get peace of mind. And I think sometimes people are so wrapped up in the price of the product that they actually gyp themselves more, and you're wasting your money and you're not getting the magic that you deserve from luxury skincare, because it really is magical and you really want to reap the best benefits possible, because I'm going to tell you what, it's a true blessing to be able to try these products and put them on your skin. If you really are a big skincare lover and you really, really want to dabble in the luxury market and see the magic that they create, in my opinion, they're magic. I really don't want to see my subscribers have anything bad happen to them. I do not want anybody's health to be at risk, and it really is concerning to me. Watch for sales, always. They do sales, as I said in previous videos. Luxury brands, whether they act like it or not, have sales somewhere. Sephora always has La Mer, they're 20% off sales, LaMer.com, they're okay, but you know, go to Neiman Marcus, Saks Fifth Avenue. I mean, they're gonna have sales off of their beauty counters. They do every once in a while. I promise. And you guys, that is it for the video. I hope this was helpful to you, and just know that I'm thinking about you guys, and I definitely want you guys buying from the best reputable places as possible so you can experience the magic also of luxury skincare and all beauty goods. This does go for makeup products too. This isn't just for skincare. So I love you guys. Stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy, buy yourself new skincare, splurge, you deserve it. I love you all. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. Love you. Bye.